Hey, morning, folks. Welcome to ECB Thursday. So that is the big ticket item for today. Um, we also have initial jobless claims out the US, which will lend a hand, a continuation of the data sets we've been seeing so far, which has been, pretty surprisingly positive out the US. Giving credence to that hawkish stance that the Fed has taken as of late. Well, a couple of months now, a lot of months now. So taking a quick look at technicals. Speaking of the US and its hawkish stance, we do have Powell speaking as well at 2:10 London time. Um, Look at this Dixie over here. So we completely obliterated the 110s level, pulling back, looking to test the prior high at 109s. If we do so, I wouldn't look at this level here as a level to be tested as a floor. I do think it could be, like a value area that we can trade around. So do be mindful. If we trade here, chances are we might be looking at this larger value here, which would adhere to the larger support trend line over here, there and thereabouts. So we're looking at 107s as that, like the bottom of that value over there. So if you do trade below, you might be thinking, okay, we might want to trade lower before this move continues. Obviously, the larger macro picture comes into play first. Speaking of the ECB today, look at this chart. It's a daily chart for the euro. Uh, Mind you, this futures, so very clear, downward channel over here. So so we are expecting the ECB to raise, if I'm not mistaken, 75 basis points. And that is an expected kind of situation. So if they fail to do that, chances are we might see a quick blip below to test this basically the bottom of this channel. If we do break above, I would have to see the break hold close on the day above the top of this channel to consider that long on the euro because of what is happening on the Dixie. For crude traders later on, we will get the DOE numbers, which is going to be at 4 today. Mind you, we had a huge spillover, expecting, like a really small drawdown, but the big picture here is Chengdu in China, it's not getting better. So it was one of the larger, if I'm not mistaken, 21 million population. So it's not getting better over there. They are extending lockdowns. It's getting much worse. So there's a possibility that, even though they are going to push for infrastructure spending a lot faster, so acceleration of that by key policymakers, but copper is doing okay. But if there's lockdown, so we are not going to get that full force of China demand into the global crude market, basically. And it's already super horrible in Europe right now. Energy prices are so expensive. We are having an emergency energy meeting in the European Union for Friday. Yeah, but that's ad hoc, time. If I do get the time, I will be letting you guys know. So that is it from me today. For more technicals, check out the pre-US delivery from our head of trading, Tim Duggan. This is Reed bringing you today's daily briefing. Have a good session out there. Stay safe, mind your risk, and I'll see you guys in the Discord room. Cheers.